Hello Insider, I'm Fireballs. Today I want to get toolpaths for this 3D model I designed it before, and let's start. First I will send to powermill. It is our 3D model. As the first step, I'm going to clear this space, and I want to choose the model area clearance, and for beginning I first makes a block. For second step I put my work plan by using block and recalculate, and I will change the block size. And now I select my tools. I select end mill with 10 millimeter diameter, and high gonna be it's right like and this part first I want to clear this position, this space. I have to limit my tools movement. That's why I use the boundary by this option. I use line from here to and I accept that. No, my tools to be within of limit, and my profile and area like to be climb tolerance box going to be 0.01. my thickness I want to be 0.2 around the wall, and a step over I use 17% of the tool's diameter is equal to 7. My step down is 1% of the tool's diameter is equal to 0.1, and I choose point distribution, fit arcs, repeat movement. I select my workpiece, work plan, and calculate. I put it 10 and lead in. I select my first lead in. I want to be ramp. My ramp setting like max zig angle is 0.3, and my height to be going to be 0.15. I accept that and click out. I prefer to that be angle 19 and radius to be 5, and links I unchecked this box and I use circular arc. Second choice to be a scheme, the default is incremental. Tweet rate I use 2200. It is, and calculate. You can see my toolpath is so great because you can see the tools movement is clear and sorted, and you can see my simulation. First I choose the fit rate. You can see and see. As the first step, I have to clear this space. To another video, I will get a toolpath for entire or 3D model, and I hope enjoy that, and I will prepare another video about finishing this 3D material in the next video, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like for our support. Thank you so much.